Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to look at the orders that you have placed in Temu. So first of all, open your Temu application. Here on the bottom, click on this profile icon. Here you'll be able to see your orders option. Click on it. So on this section, you'll be able to see all of your orders. Since I have not placed any orders, it's empty, but the orders that you have placed will be shown in this area. So yes, thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you.